The Simplii financial app provides an easy way to manage your banking on the go. Here's a guide on how to use it effectively. Download and install the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Simplii Financial. Download and install the app on your device. Log into your account. Open the app and log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can also sign up directly through the app. View account balances. Once logged in, you can view your account balances for checking, savings, or any credit cards linked to your Simplii account. Transfer money. The app allows you to transfer funds between your Simplii accounts, make bill payments, or send money to external accounts or individuals via Interac e-transfer. Deposit checks. Use the mobile deposit feature to take pictures of your checks and deposit them into your account directly from the app. Set up alerts. Set up notifications and alerts for transactions, bill due dates, or low balances to keep track of your account activity. Manage credit cards and investments. View and manage your Simplii credit card, make payments, or access your investment accounts.